Assalamu alaikum. Today we can read Understanding the Computer Today and Tomorrow. Chapter 1 Introduction to the World of Technology. Chapter 2 Hardware. Chapter 3 Storage. Chapter 4 Input and Output. Technology in life, an everyday part of our lives. Today, computer and technology are everywhere, so it's important for everyone to understand how to use them. What is computer? A computer is a smart electronic device that can be programmed. It takes information in process, it gives use the result and can save it for later. The history of computer, how they have changed. From old tools like the accused today powerful microprocessors, computers have come a long way. Computer parts, the hardware and software. A computer system is made up of two main things: computer parts, hardware and software. Hardware, the physical part you can touch like the keyboard, mouse and monitor. Software, the program and apps that tell the computer what to do. Type of computer, a variety of device. There are the many different kinds of computer, each designed for specific purpose. This include embedded computer, small computers built into other devices like in a car or microwave, mobile device, portable device like smartphone and tablets. Data and program representation. Computer understand everything using only two numbers 0 and 1. 0 and 1. These are called binary numbers. A 0 means off and a 1 means on. The thin switch inside a computer work based on these two states. Text and language. Just as we use letters and words, computers use code made of 0 and 1 to represent letters. ASCII and Unicode are examples of these codes. They assign a unique binary code to each letter and symbol so the computer can recognize and process text. Storage measurement like bytes, kilobytes, and gigabytes tell you how much data storage device can hold. Inside the system unit, the system unit in the books that contain the main part of computer. Motherboard, this is the main circuit board that connect all the computer together. Think of it as the computer backbone. Processor, CPU and GPU. CPU, central processing unit, the brain of the computer. It executes all the instructions and performs calculations. GPU stands for graphical processing unit, specialized for handling image, video and graphic related tasks. Memory, RAM or ROM. RAM, random access memory. This is temporary fast memory where the computer stores programs and data it is actually working on. The data is assured when the computer is turned off. ROM, read only memory. RAM, random access memory. ROM, read-only memory. This is the permanent memory that stores the instruction needed to start the computer. Port and slot. These are on the motherboard and allow you to connect internal device like USB driver or add-on card. How the CPU work? The CPU follow instruction in a cycle to get work done. Memory, random access memory. This is temporary faster now. You are now anything. ROM, this is permanently memory that store the instruction need to start the computer. Port and salt, everything. All the chapter is end.